December 14th, 2016, 1:18 p.m. 1900-2 Lasalle, padlock renovation. Front porch handrails, wood is splitting. Needs to be replaced. I know power to check any appliances. See, wooden floors has multiple scratches, stains, and surface scratches throughout. Needs to be checked out. Large trash out, entertainment stand, couches, chairs, mattresses needs to be removed. Several black markings and nail holes in the walls throughout. All the trim will need to be painted. A few doors, door cases need to be painted as well. It's not our color, it's white and off yellow, full paint. Got broken blinds. Several hairline cracks in the walls and in the ceilings. Needs to be checked out. Missing stove and a refrigerator. I'm not sure if it came with a unit or not. It needs to be checked out and replaced if so. The kitchen cabinet's gonna need to be painted as well. The backsplash needs to be caulked. More markers on the walls. All the blinds are stained or broken. They're all going to need to be replaced. It's a total of none. There's no carpet detector. One needs to be installed. Caulk the bathtub, toilet, and sink. Shower does have shower head. Toilet's loose from the floor. It needs to be repaired. Two of the doors, outside paneling is coming off. It needs to be repaired or replaced if it's unrepairable. Gonna need door stops are missing. More stains on the carpets. More broken blinds. Tears in the carpets. More stains in the carpets. More items that need to be trashed out. More hairline cracks. Unit does have gas. And that's about it.